Hello everybody, instead of the intro, I'm really sorry, we're just really busy. We had some technical difficulties, so we're not going to start with our intro this time. I'm really sorry you guys, but we have very important news. We are going to be reacting to yet another trailer, and try to guess what we're going to think down below. And yeah, try to comment, make sure to comment down below to see what you think we're going to be reacting to today. I'm just gonna go through things. So yeah, we're going to be making more videos. And sorry for the wait, guys, because we had so much things to do. And if you guessed it, we are watching Avengers Infinity War trailer. Are you ready? Yep, I'm born ready. Avengers. So awesome. Let's do this. Whoa, is that Mars? I don't know.
There was an idea
Awesome.
to bring together a group of remarkable people.
Is that Doctor Strange? What does it look
To
like?
see if we could become something more.
What's that on his forehead? I don't know.
So when they needed us, we could fight the battles.
I suggest this is going to be where the part where all superheroes come together. I just don't like the fact that she dyed her hair blonde. I liked it better when it was her original color, I guess. Black Panther. We saw Black Panther last month and it was awesome. Yep, Wakanda forever.
In time, you will know what it's like to lose. To feel so desperate.
His Spidey sense. Spider-Man's gonna be in this movie. Yeah, awesome. How did everyone not see that? Okay, now they're starting to notice it. Iron Man.
Run from it.
Yogi, whatever his name is. Who's he? I don't know, we're gonna have to find out. I don't know much about Avengers, okay? Spider-Man, I love his new suit. Awesome.
Engage all defenses.
Whoa. Black Panther, yes! Gosh, he's that suit again. Oh my gosh, this looks epic. Everything, the action scenes. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. What's going on? I don't know, dude.
But this does put a smile on my face.
So creepy. No! He can't save the world alone. Yep. Wakanda, yes! Awesome. Oh my god, there they are. I can't wait for this movie either. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Infinity War, awesome. Wait.
Who the hell are you guys?
The Avengers are in this movie? Oh, this is gonna be like not the Avengers, the Guardians of the Galaxy are in this movie. I am so excited that the Guardians of the Galaxy is going to be in this movie as well. Yeah, so like all the superheroes united to save the world. That's like the best idea they can ever think of. Yeah, I'm sorry for that. My bow fell off. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this trailer reaction. And we'll be back for more soon. Yeah, so bye everyone. Love you.